Well, we're racing band to the outside stand on Hambletonian. The 5 in the place last night was the all-time record.
Yeah, it was great to see the alumni come back and Warrior had a continuous feed on the TV showing all the Hambletonian winners, and it was great to see that and hear the commentary. And you're right about the vibe, Jessica. It was just everybody was so excited about being there. Had a great time at the homecoming party, and I think just the fact that they're part of the 100th Hambletonian makes it extra special.
Yeah, they were in the autograph tent today, and that place was overflowing. It was so cool to see a lot of them come back and send that.
It was just great to see the reaction of the fans that they remembered all of us back in the day, and had good memories, and just a positive vibe through the whole line for that. And I can't thank them all enough for coming back and participating.
It's been a couple of years, about 2 years in the making to plan for Hambo 100, and we pulled out just about every bell and whistle you can. Pass it over. Mark Jeff's coming back today.
Yeah, that's really great. And in the breeding pit, I've been down to see him. Just so remarkable. And anybody that had a chance to see him, was very impressed with how he was.
In Mark's driving, so he's running this week. He's
second to lose, and what comes next? Hey, bust the move. Just bust the move.
Next race is taking place at 136-ish. Make sure you place that bet. Just in case you're new here,
Race 70, New Jersey Sire Stakes final for 2-year-old filly trotters. Walden Fashion, #1 with Tom McCarthy for Jim Campbell and Fashion Farms. 2 is Sugar Packet with Dave Miller, Blake McIntosh. Art Candies, #3 with Scott Ziron, Linda Toscano trains. Leslie's Evanel of Delaware, Armitage Farm. Southman Chaska, #4. Tim Tiefrick, Jim Oscarson, Oscarson Racing Stable. Days Away, driving, trained by Nancy Tacker, Black Horse Racing, Marvin Katz and Herb Liverman. 7 Lipstick, Dexter Dunn, Cornell Lorenzen, Anvil and Lace Farm, and Girls Just Want to Have Fun. 8 is Winchester, Heavy Pressure from Days Away, up alongside, say hello to Strider's right now. Leading Lady second over. No racing room for Glad. She's locked in the box for now as they continue towards 3/4. Walden Fashion was shuffled back on the inside. And slugging out past 3/4 is Southwind Cheska in front. Days Away on the outside will go away. And right there on the inside is Glenn. And poised to bounces, leading Lady, a second overtake for her as they turn for home. And Evans Mystery CCL running 124 and for the strike drive. Southwind Cheska. Days Away for the first over. Mystery CCL. And she's by Muscle Hill. Mystery Woman by the Red New Jersey by Lori Gunn.
That's the tap-in of Sires there.
Just her third lifetime starter, second hand. 153-2. 153-2 bits in lifetime. Evans Mystery CCM. 4. President of the Standard Bred Breeders and Owners Association of New Jersey, Mark Ford. Executive Administrator Al Washner. And our SPOA Director. Trophy presentation to Evans Mystery CCL and formerly Incorporated. Nancy Belgian has been a trophy to the main connections. And it's official. Of the 9 of Evans Mystery CCL is 33.47, 28. Two shirt back, $16, $8. The big line, 4,528.64. 5 male air, 9 super, 1,800, $12.06, 9,247. Inside, slugging out past 3/4 at Southwind Cheska in front. Days Away on the outside will go away. And right there on the inside is Clam. Favorite 8 toes from us leaving sharply on the inside. 8th first Terran from Winter Soldier, custom corner model level, expensive now, 5th on the outside. As SIP looks to go up 6th on the outside, followed by Chulo. Then it's Amazing Catch at the rear of the field outside for Fire and Celebrity Bambino Casino. Strikes Celebrity Bambino on outside Fire. And 8 toes. Kronos scoots off by 3.5 lengths. Little expensive, trying to cut them down on the outside. Hold on, so it's resolved to win. Dire Straits looks for Rome. 3/4 123 and 1 in the stretch. 8 goes Kronos. Second separation with 5 or 6. Little expensive in that belt for placement. Dire Straits skimming the Powers and Winter Soldier. With their far back here, 8 goes Kronos. Lucas tries